Hello, Year 5. It is now Thursday. Can you believe it? So we're over halfway through the week. Hope you had a really good day yesterday. Thank you for all of your emails and photographs. I have put some of your work in the class page gallery. So hopefully you had time to have a little look. In regards to today's maths lesson, it's all about reading and interpreting line graphs. So you're going to have lots of line graphs and you're going to have to read lots of information from that line graph. Again, I know you've got the tutorial videos which are pretty good, so make sure that you are reading what the graph is actually talking to you about. So for example, what is the graph for? What's the point of it? So the graph shows the height of a sunflower on the first day of each week for 6 weeks. What is the height of the sunflower at the start of week 3? So you find week 3. So you go up, oops, along the line. Oh, I've hit the line. So now I need to go across. And obviously it's 60 centimeters. Make sure you're looking carefully at the units as well. Now obviously this would be a lot easier at school because we would have these printed out in front of us and we could use our rulers and our sharp pencils to draw these lines and to help us. But never mind, you can only do what you can do, so try your best with that. The second one is pretty much same type of thing. The graph shows the population of a town at the end of of each decade. So what was the population at the end of 1980? So you find 1980, we'll go up, hit the line, and then we go across. Oh my goodness, that is really bad, but here we are. So this one's a little bit different because it's in between the 6,000 and 8,000. So you need to try and figure out what would that little bit in the middle here represent that I have drawn very badly. And this one is quite interesting because it has 2 lines on it. So instead of drawing a graph for Manchester, and then instead of drawing a completely new graph for London, what they've done is they've put the 2 towns on one graph. So let's have a look at the questions. How many millimeters of rain falls in London in May? So I need to look at the London line, and I need to go to May. And then question B, it says Manchester, so you only focus on the Manchester line. So just be super careful with that. So go back, watch the tutorial video, get all the hints and tips and listen really carefully. Again, when the guy says practice questions 1 and 2, forget about that because obviously I've chosen special questions for you guys. Then in terms of English, it's time for planning now, and you get to create your crazy creature that has never been discovered yet. This Switch Zoo website is really good fun. I have literally just spent ages messing around playing. If you go to the Switch Zoo and there's like a little play part of the website you can go to, you can create your own animal. So you can choose your base animal, so you can swipe left and right across the top, and then you can change the head, the legs, and the tail, I believe, and it's really good fun. So you can just design your own creature on there. And then what you need to do today is you're just going to get planning. So using everything we've done all this week, so all those adverbials, all the punctuation we looked at, all the making up of facts in the style of a report, you are going to plan your report on this little planning. You don't have to do it on the planning sheet, you can do it in your book or on a piece of paper, but I would really like you to plan your report today. Now remember, you're not writing the report today, it's just a plan, so get your ideas down. You can change them, you can cross out things, you can edit things, you can add in things. And just remember, it's not a story, so make sure you stick with the language of information text and reports. Don't turn it into a story. Okay, so happy planning for today, and I hope you have a great day. Speak to you tomorrow.